Hey guys, welcome to the 70s challenge where we are actually trying to make our first $100 in 7 days. Okay, so what we are doing here is that we are actually on day 6. We are discussing step by step approach that you should take to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing. So we are on day 6, and what we'll be doing is that we'll be looking at other ways to build up our email list. Okay, so as we had discussed, I think on day 3 we had discussed, right, that we are actually creating a passive income system, right? So what happens is that you can use one lead magnet for first 1,000 people. That's great, but you have to have other lead magnets also, right? So what is a lead magnet? As we discussed, that it's a free thing that you give away. Okay, it's a very valuable information that you give away to your clients, and so that you start getting your email addresses and you can follow up with people, right? Okay, so today also the same thing we'll be doing, because this is the secret to basically making massive amount of wealth, okay, in the shortest possible time. Okay, so the reason, as we discussed, for building an email list is that you own it. Your TikTok account can get banned, your YouTube account can just vanish, but your emails will be yours, because that will be there with you all the time. You'll be able to do multiple things with it. Once you grow, you'll be able to run ads, you'll be able to retarget people, you'll be able to mail people. Okay, whatever. You can have a 10-minute work day, as we discussed, right? You can have a 10-minute work day also, that you work just for 10 minutes and you'll be done. Correct? So these are the benefits that are there with email. So do not underestimate it. I know that initially just giving away free stuff doesn't matter, doesn't mean it doesn't make any sense. But as I told you, that one email, just think about it like this, that one email will get you $6. Okay, so imagine like this: if you have 10,000 emails, you can easily make $60,000. This is how you should imagine. Okay, so just make sure that you're creating all the more lead magnets, you're scaling it. Okay, you are creating other helpful information also. So what we had done, that we had one lead magnet. Okay, so now since you have created one, try coming up with other ideas also. Okay, you need not have just one thing to give, right? You may have multiple things to give. Okay, so just figure out all the more ideas that you can think of. Okay, since you're creating content, I'm sure that you're getting a ton of ideas that you can share with people. Okay, so just pick up something, pick one, and then try creating a video around it maybe. Okay, so that people are able to know you, like you, trust you better. Okay, so just keep adding to your free bucket. Okay, just give. The more you give, the more you will get. Okay, so it is said in online space that if you're not making enough money, it just means that you're not giving enough value. Okay, so if you want to make more money, give value. Okay, then only you'll be able to make big money when in online space. Okay, so that is something for today. This is something that is optional, guys. Okay, so if you haven't made your first $100 yet, you can just continue with the step number 5 that we had discussed, that just keep creating content. 4 and 5 is content, right? So just keep creating content. If you're done with day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 to 7th, just focus on creating content, because the same happened with me. I created content, I think, just for one day, and I was able to make $114 within 48 hours. That is how powerful content can be. So I'll be creating a specific video, so for that how I was able to do that will be a video that I'll be releasing very soon. Okay, so if you want it, just comment below also, so that I'll know that you want to know my story. Okay, so that is something that I want to share, that it is very powerful thing. If you keep creating content, you'll start getting traction, you'll start getting sales. Okay, so just do that. Okay, just be on these platforms, show up, like just look at people, what they're creating, and you also create similar content, and you'll be able to make your first $100 very, very, very fast. Okay, so final day number 7, I'll show you how you can just put fuel in the fire, and how you can just scale it massively, very, very, very fast. Okay, so that is something for day number 7, and I'll see you then. Bye.